cervical cancer. Cervical cancer, at India is going to release a vaccine known as the Cervavac. Cervavac, it's a cervical, मतलब cervical से cerva लिया गया, and vaccine से vac लिया गया. It's known as the Cervavac, cervical vaccine. It's a cervical cancer is the major chunk of the cancer. We can say it comes under 2-3 major cancer types, and which are affecting the major population in India as well in the world. So it's a major cause of the cancer. Who is the authority which are recommending for the releasing of the cancer in vaccines in the country? So it's a Technical Advisory Group of Immunization, National Technical Advisory Group of Immunization. It's a major authority which decisions for the releasing of the vaccine in the country. Under the Drugs Controller General of India, recommendation goes to the Drugs Controller General of India, then the vaccine will be released in the country. So instead of the vaccines, they can ask who is the authority releasing the vaccine in the country. So it comes under the DCGI, Drugs Controller General of India. Techniques is a RNA based vaccine, it's a DNA based vaccine, it's a protein based vaccines. तो आपको सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए कैसे होता है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, कौन सा प्रोसेस यूज होता है. We discuss about the CRISPR-Cas9. So this is the only process which you are using for the making the vaccines. लेकिन किस टाइम पे क्या जीन इंट्रोड्यूस करना है, दैट्स डिपेंड ऑन द टाइप ऑफ द वैक्सीन वी आर यूजिंग. इट्स अ डीएनए बेस्ड वैक्सीन और इट्स आरएनए बेस्ड वैक्सीन. उसके बेसिस पे ही वो डिपेंड करता है. वी आर चेंजिंग द प्रोटीन, वी आर चेंजिंग द लाइक द कोडोन, वी आर चेंजिंग, और वी आर चेंजिंग द बेसिस दैट डिपेंड ऑन द विच टाइप ऑफ वैक्सीन वी आर यूजिंग. If we are changing the basis, then we can infect it the adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. If we are changing the protein, so this can be the ribonuclease protein, or it can be the ribosomal protein that are generated in the DNA process. So it's depend on the type of vaccines, which type of vaccine we are using. It's like in the COVID vaccines, we can say like type of corona vaccine. Anybody can tell me the name? Corona vaccines released in India. नाम बताओ वैक्सीन का नाम. Covishield and the Covaxin. Covishield and the Covaxin. So these both vaccines are based on a different technology. Covaxins we can say कि RNA based technology पे based है. Covishield is based on the protein. Covishield is based on the protein and the Covaxin is based on the RNA vaccine. दोनों में difference ये होता है, the Covishield which are taken from a specific protein. उस टाइम पे जो कोरोना वायरस था हाईएस्ट अमाउंट पे, उसके प्रोटीन्स को लिया गया, उसके थ्रू वी आर डिजाइन दिस कोविशील्ड. बट कोवैक्सीन इज आरएनए बेस्ड वैक्सीन. जो कोवैक्सीन के थ्रू प्रोटीन मैन्युफैक्चर होगा, दैट कैन बी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेरिएंट. इफ यू आर गिविंग इन द बॉडी, दैट कैन चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेरिएंट. सो इट्स द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल वैक्सीन एंड इट्स कंप्लीटली डेवलप्ड इन द इंडिया. कोवैक्सीन इज कंप्लीटली less effective. The major reason behind is the zero tolerance policy of China. If India में देखें तो there is a herd immunity. जो second wave में India में हुआ, that is going right now in the China, because they are not allowed the people to come out from the home from the last 2-3 years because of the zero COVID policy. अगर इसकी वजह से आपने देखा होगा कि white paper protest, the people were saying about कि हमें बाहर आने दो. Why we are inside the house from the last 2-3 years. This is the one of the major reason. India में impact ज़्यादा क्यों नहीं होगा? Most of the people in India already affected with the COVID. If there is a effect, maybe the mild fever it is, or maybe they can affect those person which are having a low immunity. But India में already it's affected the almost all the peoples, and it's a herd immunity generated in the India. तो अगर आप देखोगे after the third wave, there are the less chance कोई अगर COVID infect भी होता है, it's can recovering in 2-3 days. It's like a fever now in India. So it's a major reason to the zero COVID policy of the China, and there's a less successful of vaccines of the Sinovac of the China, the major reason behind the COVID. Now let's see is about the cervical cancer. So in India, it's the first indigenously developed vaccine for the HPV, human papilloma virus. HPV, human papilloma virus, and it's said to be effective against the 4 strains. It's not effective against all the strains. So the statements mostly they frame it's effective against all the strain of the HPV, but it's effective against type 6, type 1, type 16 and the type 18. It's effective against only the 4 strain of the HPV. Vaccine is a vaccine that works by the stimulating an immune response. A type of vaccine, the quadrivalent vaccine, is a vaccine that works by stimulating the immune response against the 4 different antigens. जैसे ही बॉडी के अंदर इसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा, इट विल एक्टिवेट द 4 डिफरेंट एंटीजेंस जिसके अगेंस्ट बॉडी में इम्यूनिटी विल क्रिएट. एंड द Cervavac is based on the virus-like particles similar to the hepatitis B vaccination. जो hepatitis B vaccination में हमने mostly technology use की थी, the same technology we are using in the human papilloma virus vaccine. It's against the Cervavac. And who is going to approve this vaccine? This is approved by the Drugs Controller General of India. And what is the significance? It has a significant potential to eliminate cervical cancer. It would be helpful including in the national human papillomavirus vaccination efforts, and it's extremely effective only when it's administered before the first sexual intercourse. It will be only effective when can be given to the girls before first sexual intercourse. उसके बाद इससे less effective. क्या status है cervical cancer का world में? We can see cervical cancer develop in a woman's cervix. It's the 4th most common type of cancer among the women, and globally, and 2nd most common among women in India. First is the breast cancer in the woman in India. 2nd is cervical cancer in India. Is the 2nd rank for the common among women in India. India contributes the largest share of the global cervical cancer burden. Nearly 1 in every 4 deaths globally due to cervical cancer. According to the Lancet Journal study, every 4 death include the 1 HPV death. Cervical cancer की वजह से death होता है. Almost all cervical cancer cases, 99% are linked through the infection with the high risk HPV that can be transmitted through the sexual contacts. Like the HIV के cases में भी it's mainly transferred through the sexual context, and in the case of the HPV, it's also transferred through the sexual context. When diagnosed, cervical cancer is one of the most successful treatable form of cancer. And the cancer diagnosed in the late stage can also be controlled with the appropriate treatment. लेकिन इसका क्या है कि we can control this type of cancer through the vaccination as well as the other technology के through. It's a controllable thing. अगर आपको initial stage में पता लग जाता है तो it can be controlled early. But if you can get in the later stage, that also it can also be stopped. This was the question in 2016 about the mission Indradhanush. So it's a vaccination program. So the similar kind of option like this vaccine comes under the mission Indradhanush or not. So the mission Indradhanush launched by the government of India pertain to immunization of the children and the pregnant women. So 2016 का question paper देखोगे, it's the simplest one. It's like a 60 to 70 question only from the current affairs. But now the trend is changed. The question number is 30 to 35. That is also the interlinked. But 4 current affairs देखोगे 22 questions, but mainly interlinked with your basic part. So this is